Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It's Coach Eileen Day for another day, another chica with yours truly. So today, I'm kind of early because I know I missed 2 days already. It's been busy with appointments and stuff. And yeah, so today I have an appointment for my osteopath. Normally, I would just go there, like in my comfy clothes, right away, and just do nothing. But today, I want to look pretty. Usually, after massage or acupuncture or physiotherapy, I look terrible after. I think that all my pains are releasing in my face. So yeah, so today I decided, you know what, before I get consumed by the day, might as well start my day with a go live. Okay, let's get started. So today I decided to do this. Get ready with me. So, I am not the type who loves to put on makeup only when I feel like it. But I'm trying to embrace this new idea that you always have to be put together, stuff like that. Because in a growth mindset, right? You wanna be, improving yourself and stuff like that. I don't normally put makeup on only when I have to go to parties or I'm going to church. Sometimes I don't even, especially if it's morning. Um, yeah, and I don't put a lot of like solutions on my face. I just wash my face with a regular I'm not particular in brands or stuff. Just need my face to get washed and that's it. Sometimes like honestly, if I'm so tired, I don't even remove my makeup, which I know is wrong. um but anyway, I just wash my face normally, and then I have this toner. Doesn't have to be any brand. But as much as possible, honestly, I don't want to put anything on my skin because I know at the end of the day, all of it will be filtered by the liver, right? So I don't want it to have a hard time because I eat a lot already. As you know, I'm trying to lose weight. And so I really don't want to overload my kidney with lotions and stuff. So if it's not really really dry, my skin, which is really dry most of the time, I don't really even put it, like especially if I'm just showering and sleeping. Sleeping after, I don't want to put lotion on my skin because you just have to hydrate myself. Honestly, hydrate myself, have a good source of water. Ayan, inom nga tayo. Source of water, and just hydrate yourself, and it's gonna be moist and plump. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started kasi I have to go soon. So, ang makeup ko is sobrang simple lang, guys. Okay, let's get started. Um, so let's get started. So, I start with foundation. Okay, so foundation is by MAC. I know ginaganyan to dyan yan. O, diba? MAC. MAC, guys. Okay. So, yeah, anong number to? I think is NW40. Okay, para medyo kakulay ng skin ko. And I'm just using this brush. Yeah, this brush. Okay. Either this or I use, where either this or I use this kind of foam thingy. I don't even know what it's called, but it's like, yeah. Tell me in the comment section anong tawag doon, guys. So, okay. So, let's get ready. So, yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna have to put it. So, okay. So, we'll start with foundation. I'm just gonna put like a one squirt. Kasi minsan, sometimes, yung mga may dark spot lang din talaga yung kino-cover ko. Yan, ganyan lang. Kino-cover ko lang yung mga sobrang obvious na may, anong tawag dun? na pimple mark. Kasi I have a CPAP. I think that's where I get it. I have a CPAP. So, nakalagay siya dito. So, yung place na kinakabitan ng CPAP, I think, kung hindi nalinis or nadumihan, nakaka-irritate siya ng skin. So, normally, yung mga pimples ko, dun siya tumutubo. Okay? So, usually, yung isang squirt na yun, it's enough na siya to cover my skin. O, di ba, tipid? Ayan. Parang okay naman na siya. So, papantayin lang. How are you guys? Oh my God, if this is the first time you're seeing me, my name is Eileen. I'm a wife, a mom, an early childhood educator, and a digital business coach and mentor. Been doing this business for 6 years now, almost 7. Still best decision ever. Yeah. If you want to learn more, of course, you just have to register your name and email address on my link. Iran ko siya dito. Yan. So, yan. Yeah. Okay. So, yan. Okay. So, parang okay naman na. Natakpan naman na yung mga itim-itim. Yung mga dark spots. Meron din akong concealer minsan. Pero kung dyan lang ako sa tabi, hindi na ako nagpapa-concealer pa. Pwede na yan. Basta mukha ka lang fresh. So, ganun lang siya. Na-cover naman. Kung dadagdagan ko pa din. Pero kung hindi na, pwede na yan. Yeah? Okay. Pwede na siguro yan. What do you guys think? Okay. So, and then, I could start with my eyelashes. I mean, my shadow first. But sometimes gusto kong makita agad yung lips ko. Kasi, para mabalance ko siya sa ibang makeup. So, I usually use pencil lipstick para hindi ka lalampas. Although, medyo pronounced naman yung lips ko. Kaya lang, gusto ko pa rin siyang gusto ko pa rin siyang may linya. Ayan. Ayan, nagkakakulay na tayo, guys. Ayan. Di ba? Ang ganda na agad. Masyado siyang red. So, usually, binabalance ko siya. I either putting a lighter lipstick. Yung lighter lipstick din, parang feeling ko, nagiging pouty yung lips mo. Medyo dark yung lips ko, kaya it's good to have like a base na lighter siya. Ayan. Okay, so medyo pink naman na siya ngayon. Pero, balance natin. Hi, who's watching? Thanks for watching. Come get ready with me. So, lighter. Pero, I have favorite lipsticks. This one is from MAC. Maubos na siya, Medyo favorite ko yung medyo coral ang color. Para hindi red. Ayan. Yan, di ba? May kulay na. Okay. Sometimes, pag gusto ko mag-glam-glam ng konti, ginagamitan ko siya nitong, from MAC din to. Parang glitter siya, di ba? Ganda. Pero dyan lang naman ako sa Osteopath. Hihilata lang naman ako. Because Osteopath is helping me with my pains. So, it's really, really good. Okay. Ayan, magmadali na tayo kasi kailangan ko na umalis. Okay. Minsan, usually, pag tinatamad ako, lipstick lang nilalagay ko para magkakulay lang yung mukha ko. Pero, today. Let's have the whole thing. So, I have these 3 brushes that I use for my eyeshadow. Okay. So, I don't even know if this is the right one, but it fits my eyes. So, I use this. Okay, honestly, I'm not a professional um makeup artist. So, pero ito talaga, kasya naman siya. I have other brushes, kaya lang honestly, I don't know which one to use. Pero, I have been using this as for my base, and this one for the what do you call this? This like yung talukap ko dyan. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Parang medyo curve siya for the corners. And then, ito yung pang finish ko. Okay, so, ayan, sira na nga siya eh. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Galing lang to sa Shoppers, guys. Meron akong iba, yung mga sama. Pero hindi ko siya masyadong ginagamit. Ito yung for everyday ko. Okay. Um, high definition color. Hindi ko na banggitin kung ano. Basta dyan lang to sa tabi-tabi, guys. Okay? So, let's get ready. Okay, bilisan na natin kasi malilate na ako. Okay, so, ano lang, eto, pampakulay lang. Parang feeling ko pag ginamitan ko nito, parang nabubuhay yung mata ko. Parang medyo, anong tawag dito? Parang younger looking yung eyes ko. Ayan. Kanina, nung wala, parang nagble-blend lang yung mata ko sa rest of the face ko. Pero pag ginamitan ko nito, yung lighter pang base ko, parang nabubuhay siya. Minsan nilalagyan ko sa taas. So usually dito lang siya sa corner. So, minsan nilalagyan ko siya sa taas para makinang ang buhay. Hi guys. Let me know what you think. Oh, ayan. Hindi ako masyado nag-eyeliner. Although dapat mag-eyeliner ako kasi parang kalbo yung pilik mata ko. Pero, pang araw-araw lang naman. Huwag na kasi humuhula sa akin. Okay? So, gamitan na natin yung dark. Hindi ko masyadong ginagamit tong kasi hindi ko gusto yung kulay, yung gitna. Yung dalawa lang ginagamit ko. So, ito pang corner lang to. Sa gilid lang. Ganyan. Para medyo ma-pronounce yung talukap ko. Pagkagabi, medyo glamorous, meron akong ibang ginagamit. Pero usually, pwede na to. Alam mo yun. Para, sa akin kasi gusto ko lang yung enhance lang yung mukha mo. Ayoko nung masyadong makapal na mukha ka ng ewan. So, tama, yung ganyan lang. Simple lang siya. I-enhance lang yung mukha. Wag yung parang naiba na, parang hindi na ikaw yung itsura mo. Ganun. So, ganun lang. Ayan. 'Di ba medyo kumulay naman na siya. Ganun lang. Ganyan. Honestly, hindi ako masyado nagme-makeup. Kasi parang feeling ko, parang kailangan pag special occasion, may ganda pa ako, 'di ba? Ayan. Ayan. Okay. I think okay na siya. Oh, actually, dark na siya, OMG. Pero pag sa camera na ganito, parang light lang siya. Pero sa totoong buhay, medyo makapal na siya. Tama na. Pag medyo makapal, bawasan na lang. Pwede naman. Okay? Okay, pwede na yan. And then, para lang umangat yung mata ko, para mabuhay-buhay. Kasi, like, now, kakagising ko lang. Okay. Now, ito yung pinang tatap ko. From MAC siya. Hindi ko makita kung ano to. But anyway, ganyan siya. Yan. Mas gusto kong brand ang MAC kasi parang lasting siya sa mukha ko. Kumakapit siya sa balat ko. Yung iba kasi parang humuhula siya. Lalo na sa Pinas kasi mainit. Pero dito, tumatagal naman yung makeup ko. kumakapit naman siya halos pwedeng kalahating araw or minsan hindi na ako nagre-retouch. Ayan. Oh, 'di ba cute na siya. Kailangan cute-cute lang ang effect. Ganyan lang siya. Hindi naman mahirap, 'di ba? Ayan, okay na siya. Yung lips, pwede na yan. Actually, in person, maano na siya, makapal na siya. Eh, dyan lang naman tayo pupunta sa tabi-tabi. And then, ito yung blush ko, Laura Mercer. Mercer. Sounds like French. So, dito lang ako naglalagay para ma-lift lang yung chin ko. Kasi, yung skin ko, yung cheeks ko naman, may contour naman siyang natural niya. So, hindi ako nagko-contour kasi mukha akong, hindi maganda sa akin. May contour na siya. Pwede na yan. Natural contour na lang. So, dito lang tayo. Ganyan lang. Oh, ayan. Diba? Bonggang-bongga na siya agad. Ganun lang. Pansin ko lang itong blush at lipstick lang ang nire-retouch ko. Or, kunyari, naging shiny shimmering na ako. Ito yung pangtapos ko. It's from MAC as well. Ayan. Kailangan ko na umalis, guys. So, ito yung ginagamit kong brush. Iaano ko lang siya. Spread ko lang siya. Para lang ma-finish yung look. And that's it. O, diba? Simple lang. Ganyan lang, guys. Okay? Ready to go na ang lola nyo. And yeah, I think that's it. Right? What do you guys think? Let me know if you like it. This is my daily makeup. Makeup look. Yeah, diba? Medyo naiba naman kes bagong hilamos lang. Anyway, I gotta go. I'm so happy to do this so early in the morning. Last night kasi maagang nagsitulog at saka busy ako last night. Kaya ayan. Oh, ayan. Tapos na. I hope you guys like it. Let me know in the comment section if you're watching later. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And bye for now because I have to go. Bye. Have a great day. Happy Wednesday. Thank you for joining me for another day, another Chica with Coach Eileen. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.